Respected dignitaries on the dais and all the dignitaries present in the hall. Very good afternoon to all of you. And I really congratulate the ministry as well as the organizers for organizing such a wonderful summit in order to promote oil palm. And as many of the speakers before me, they have highlighted the importance of oil palm as far as our import independence is concerned, and our move towards self-sufficiency in the edible oil sector is concerned. So this summit is actually, it is going to bring about a lot of encouragement for the oil palm industry as well as oil palm plantation in the country, as well specifically in the state of Telangana. And as all of us, we know that why oil palm is considered to be so important, and there are many reasons behind it, and most of us already know all these things. Still, I would like to point out one or two most important points as to why oil palm cultivation, why oil palm processing, and why so much of emphasis is given on the oil palm. First of all, we know it is a kind of, as many of scientists also have said, it is less prone to pests and diseases. It utilizes moderate inputs for which cost of cultivation is less, and it gives us a kind of we have to go for more of oil palm, and that is why this there is a mission, and this mission is also very important. And as far as Telangana state is concerned, it is one of the, it has already taken a kind of it has already taken an earlier step, in the sense that Telangana is already in the forefront of oil palm cultivation as well as processing, and the government has already started giving subsidies of around 26,000 crores, 26,000 subsidy per acre in the first year of farming, and 5,000 each in the second year and third year of cultivation, and these farmers are given subsidies. And as far as NABARD is concerned, NABARD, as most of us already we know that NABARD is in the forefront of FPO promotion and farmers producer organization promotion, and already we have, NABARD has already promoted around 339 FPOs in the state of Telangana, and many of the FPOs, they are promoted in the Wadi and watershed areas of NABARD, where NABARD has already undertaken intervention in watershed development as well as tribal development areas. And in these areas we have started promoting FPOs, and most of the FPOs are coming in the convergence mode. We are already in convergence with various stakeholders, starting from state government and state government as well as tribal development department. We have promoted FPOs, and most of the FPOs, they are mainly now they are into kind of input business and other kind of infrastructure facilities also. They are these FPOs are promoting, and they are trying to provide a kind of benefit to the farmers. And as of now, so far, we do not have any FPOs specifically in the oil palm sector. But gradually, with the interventions and with the encouragement that the government is providing, and the farmers are also, it is good to see that so many of the farmers, oil palm FPOs have received award today. So seeing the encouragement given to the farmers, and also the kind of enthusiasm on the part of the farmers, we hope that more and more FPOs will be formed in the oil palm sector, and NABARD will also be eagerly associated in this formation of FPOs, and the central sector scheme of formation of FPOs also will give a scope to NABARD to go for the FPOs in the oil palm sector. We are always open to the ideas of formation of FPOs in this sector. And as we all know, this kind of FPO promotion, it is always a kind of convergence mode. It is a kind of, all the stakeholders have to be involved in this kind of initiative, and NABARD will also be equally be a part of this kind of initiative. And as far as other activities are concerned, as far as other other initiatives from NABARD are concerned, NABARD can also pitch in the form of providing assistance, providing loans for drip and irrigation in case of oil palm cultivation areas, and there can be some kind of partnership with the in case of establishment of oil palm processing units also, if some government initiative is coming from this sector. So this kind of things, NABARD is always open to these ideas, and we expect that we will also partner very well with the state government in promoting the oil palm cultivation and processing in the state of Telangana. I wish all this the seminar a very good success, and all the oil palm farmers as well as processing units very good future, very good success in future. Thank you all.